What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jake to the R. So check it out. We got PreSonus Studio 1 up here. We're going to do a beat. We're going to see how much I can get down on this beat before my camera takes a dump. We're going to be using the keyboard to make a beat. Let's dive right into it. Let's start with Octane. That's this new plugin I got. Kind of liking it because it's got some new sounds that I ain't used before. And we're gonna change this tempo to 150. Glizzy. Where'd that come from? I'm just gonna go for it. Let's just go for it. Keep that just like that. So we're gonna change that quantizer. That's kind of fast, my guy. Alright, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. See what my MIDI look like. Yep. We're gonna keep that like that. Let's just keep it going. Let's add another one. I feel like a piano. Let's get a piano going. Maybe Paz. Well, what about Paz? Let's do piano. Trap piano. Try it again. Keep that like that. Now let's come over here, get some drums popping. Hey. I don't know why that's keep going. We're gonna go with it. It's kind of getting on my nerves. Let's see what sound is making that damn noise. This piano. Alright, let's just keep it at that one then. I don't have time to be playing with y'all. Oh, classic. Let's go with that. Chants. Can't go wrong with a chant. Oh, let's go with the O. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. We'll figure it out. Oh, let's go with that. Okay. Alright, let's get these drums laid down. Oh, we got that laid down. Gotta always slap that in there. Oh, let's slide that right in there. It's good and funky. Let's get a clap going. Let's get a drum. Ooh, let's see what we got so far. Know what we're gonna do right there, but we're gonna do it. that. We're gonna come through there. We're gonna close that like that. Let's add, instead of doing an 808, let's try adding a bass line. Let's go old school with it. Bass line. The foot. Oh, I like that. Hey, I was running all the way from the Jersey. Hey, just looking at me kind of disturbing. Okay, we got that going. I like that. Just Control D. You ain't gotta hit no Alt or nothing. Or nothing. Take that loop off. Bring that all the way back to 1 because I said so. That's why. Get rid of this. Oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. Let's get rid of it. Oh, that's kind of loud. Oh, you know, before we do anything, before we do any of that, let's come over here and get some balancing done. Damn it. Keep doing that. We gotta do something with that. What about if I left that in there? think we're gonna save that beat. I kind of like it. Y'all let me know what you think about this beat in the comments. Looks like it took me about 10 minutes to make it. You know, sometimes when you're doing beats, I ain't saying it's the best beat in the world, but it's certainly not the worst. But the point of it is, when you're doing the beat and you kind of feel it, you just go with it. You let the beat take you where it wants to be tookin'. And that's what I feel like I did with this one. If I didn't, holla at your boy in the comments. If I did, holla at your boy in the comments.